Hey guys, welcome back. This is gonna be my last video of the night. I just wanted to come real quick and show you this die that right now I am loving. This is from Andy's shop, and it's a pocket die. So you see these pieces here, they fold in. You can make it into a pocket. It's super cute. It cuts perfectly. You do have to run it through your machine at least twice, back and forth. What I like to do is once I run it back and forth, I like to rotate it and then run it again. So yeah, so let me just show you real quick. This is what I did. I wanted to show you, let me get a blank card just to give you an idea. When I die cut, I used a ready-made card and I run it through the machine. Once you run it through the machine, you see you still have these pieces. So let's say that's not there. You have your card, but you still see that. So what I did was I trimmed that piece out, and I kind of like it. I like it better that way. You see the roundness. So that's what the back looks like, you see? It's still connected. So I made it into little note cards instead. And then not that little, actually. It's, let's see. It's still 4 inches. And tallness is 5.5. So these make really cute cards, and I just like how the rounded look. You see what I'm saying? And it's still connected. I didn't do anything to the inside. But yeah, I just wanted to come real quick and show you that that's another little way you can do that, just to cut that piece out. Once you make your card, just trim it. Leave a space, because you want to connect the card. You still want to connect it. And that's it. This card is so like fancy. The die itself, you don't need to do much with it. I just added Hobby Lobby Merry Christmas. This bow is from Alina. I'll post that bow also in the description bar. But yeah, just a quick little video. And I hope you guys like it. Make sure to check the description bar for that die. You guys will definitely like it. You can use it as a pocket, or you could just use it as a little card. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.